Good morning. This is my latest update on my Coilgun project. I put it on a pistol grip. The switch capacitors come to 920 microfarads at 300 volts. And the last one I had in this box right here, so I had the circuit board and the battery. But taking apart the circuit board, well, actually 3 of them. And just looking at them, I rebuilt the capacitor charger, and it's right there. Yeah, so it's charging, but it's really slow because I think I have 2 small wires, so that's gonna be my next thing that I make a new one of. And then I've got all this excessive amounts of magnet wire here, like 200, 300 feet of it. I'm going to rewrap, try to make a multi-stage one for my next upgrade. Also, I built a battery compartment here. I soldered 4 AAA batteries together in a square. Get more battery juice that way, I guess. Tried to use this capacitor. It's 100 volts, and then I realized that wouldn't work. I don't actually know anything about circuitry, so if I hadn't looked at the circuit boards, I would have never known how to make a charger like that. Yeah, it shoots these, which are nails from a nail gun. That's my cat. Nails from a nail gun. I just chop off the ends of them here. Loads from the back. There. And sounds like it's getting charged. Usually takes 3 or 4 minutes. I'll leave it at that. There's my target. I've also added 2 capacitors on from the last time. Still not very strong, doesn't actually stick into anything, but